In this session, we'll be creating one freestyle job in Jenkins for this Nginx CI/CD. So we are in this Jenkins console. Just create a new item. I'll say like Nginx deployment. Just go for a freestyle job. It's for deployment of Nginx. Better word I use is it's for, I'll say like CI/CD of Nginx. Okay, so here we won't be going for the build to run on the slave machine. We'll be using the master machine. I'm using master machine so that I can give you example that how master can be used and how slave can be used. So this job will be totally and solely running on the master machine. We'll be using a custom workspace. If you remember, /var/lib/jenkins, and I'll say like Nginx. That will be good if I can say like Nginx deployment. Okay, that's fine. Here I need to define the git repository path, so it's it. So just copy it, just paste it over here. Here also I'm using a public repository, so I'm not providing any credential. This is for the build part. Then for the deployment, here I'll be simply executing the shell. That is, since if you can see, I have defined here the directory as /var/lib/jenkins nginx.deployment, and our Ansible scripts are present here. So I first need to change the directory to /var/lib/jenkins/ansible_scripts. From here I can run the Ansible playbook. So I'll be writing that command. It will be good if I can copy it from there. So this is the command that I need to run there. Just paste it. That's it. I guess all work is done now. Let's save the file. We'll try to run this very first job. Problem occurred. Well, this kind of web page is coming in this version of Jenkins on some browsers. Let view as plain text to get the information. Our build is success, because this console output page is appearing just because there is some bug. Whenever you are getting such kind of page, just go to this view as plain text. Here you can see the everything is successful. Let me open that Nginx page. Just open it. Okay, so we have actually I did these changes. What I'll do is like I'll be going to the dev server, and then there I'll be reverting these changes and will be pushing it to Git, and will check whether our deployment is going successful or not. And one more thing, I'll just apply the poll SCM here as well. So whenever the changes has been committed, the Git should automatically detect it. 4 and 5. It's like every hour, every minute, and every time. So it will go and check. We have here the dev server. Just re-log in. Okay, so we have this Nginx. Just open it. Okay, so these are the changes that I did. Just revert it. Just save the file. I'll say like git add, place it in the staging area. I'll git commit -m, reverting back to normal. Okay, it's done. I'll select git push -u origin master. I need to enter the credentials here. That's it. Just enter the password. So here it's successfully done. We'll check whether something is happening here or not, because we have actually set the poll SCM value of every time. Let's check whether Jenkins job is picking that change or not. Maybe I need to refresh the page. So you can see it's like it has started checking the repository. I'll go as view as plain text, and now the deployment is successful. I'll just go here and will refresh the page. So let me just open that page, and you can see the change has been successfully done. You can do multiple changes. It's just an example, and check whether this deployment pipeline is complete or not. Okay, so in this way we have created two types of continuous deployment scripts. One is with a shell script and the other one is with Ansible script.